everyone. This is Dr. Pushkar Dhir, Vitreo Retina ROP surgeon, cataract surgeon, and now a budding refractive surgeon. So last time मैं आपके पास आया था एक continuous glucose monitoring device लेके, which was my practical experience on myself. Next I told you about something about the refractive surgery, that is about spectacle removal. और आज मैं आपके पास लेके आया एक very new thing, which is Ray-Ban Meta AI glasses. This is by Meta, and these are something which are now in talks everywhere. Recently launched by Meta, and Mark Zuckerberg was there on the launch of these glasses. So why I have come to you with these glasses is because can these glasses be a game changer for the people who have less vision, जिनकी नजर कम है, क्या उनमें ये glasses फायदा दे सकते हैं? Let's see it. So I'll be unboxing these glasses. This is the pack which you get from the company itself. My model is Wayfarer. These have different models, and the cost is approximately 32,000, which is written on this, and it is specially imported by Luxottica India Eyewear Limited. So I'll be opening it and seeing what's inside. So I'm gonna unbox this Meta Ray-Ban AI glasses. First time, I think not first time, maybe the review by a ophthalmologist for the first time. So the packing seems to be very nice. So what do we have here? So, okay, there's a booklet which says get started, safety and warranty. And then we have the unboxing. Okay, I'm unboxing my Meta AI glasses. Ray-Ban Wayfarer from Meta AI. So a very beautiful brownish pack I have got. It's basically a charging pack. यहाँ पे USB port बना हुआ है. And see, there's a green light. Wow, see? And now I'll be taking my glasses out. Oops. Okay, I think there's a battery charging point. And now, all right. So I have these glasses directly coming from Meta. They look very beautiful, and you see these are the glasses which I'll be wearing now. This looks very sturdy. It has a front camera, and I can't see much on. Oh, it has dual camera. So you see here, there's one camera here, this side, and one on this side. So, and there's some kind of button also here on the top of it. So it says it has a camera, open ear audio, and pairs with MetaView app to edit, share, and your content. Okay. I don't have anything Neuralink attached with it, so I have to figure it out how it works. Well, anyhow, does that look good on me? So, alright. So I had just figured out how to go about these glasses. So, you know, they have a barcode over here. It says install the Meta AI app. So I have just installed the Meta AI app on my phone. Here's the Meta AI app, and it says get started with Meta AI. Alright, so yeah, there it is. So I'll just set up a device. So starting to set up my device now. It says continue as XYZ. Okay. So I'll say continue as alright. I'll probably give it to my wife then. Of the case, which is this. So I need to press this button, and gradually the blue light will turn on. Yeah, so I can see the blue light coming, and now I can pair it. So yeah, it says it's paired, right? So it can detect the thing, and now I'm asking it to connect, and now it's pairing. Yep. So these are the real-time demonstrations. I'm trying to figure out how the things will work from here onwards. Press it and then you stop it. So one press, single press, it will give you a photograph. Long press will give you a recording, and then you can stop. So this is a touchpad. It says this is a touchpad. So I can increase the volume and decrease the volume by using the touchpad. All right. Okay, swipe forward to turn it up and back to turn it down. So yeah, that's a volume adjustment. Adjust volume. Okay. All right. And pause music. So for pause and play, I just have to tap this, tap on, tap off. That's how you do it. And we are good to go. Yep. So my Meta AI is as of now ready to be used, and the location can be tracked with the help of the phone wherever it is linked with. Very initial photograph with the Meta AI glasses. So how is it? So once I wear it, definitely I'm not the patient right now, but I'll just show you how the photo comes in this. So somebody's recording me, I'll just take a photo of her. That's my wife. Smile, Preeti. So now I have a photograph of her. I'll just show you how it appears. So this is the first photograph which I have got from these glasses. As I explore more, I'll come back to you that how it can be helpful for the people who can't see or who can bring the photographs from distance to the nearer and can use it probably with that. Thank you.